Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix if your Boost One app or My Boost app is not working on your iPhone. So let's get started without wasting any time. So the very first thing what you need to do is just to solve your problem. You have to make sure that you have an updated version of your app. So for that what you need to do is just you have to open up here your app store and then here search for the app that is Boost One or My Boost app here. And from here what you need to do is just update your app, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. And if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just go back here and then go for the second method. For that what you need to do is just here launch Things app, and then from here tap on general, and after that what you need to do is just scroll it below here, and here is the iPhone storage. So tap on this, and from here what you need to do is just you have to search here for the Boost app and locate the Boost app. Then what you need to do is just offload your app, and after that reinstall it again, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So after this, if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just completely uninstall your app here and then reinstall it again, and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem is not fixed, then what you need to do is just you have to make sure that you have account which is activate for your app, that's Post One app. So because this may be the problem, so after this your problem will be fixed. So if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just you have to launch a Stings app on your device, and after that what you need to do is just scroll it below and tap on general, and again scroll it below here all the way and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and then tap on reset, and from here reset to network settings because there may be the network issue. So give here your passcode for your iDevice and reset your network settings, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. And if the problem still exists there, then go for the next method, which is very important. For that, here again open up Stings app, and then from here tap on general, and here is the software update. So check if any update is available related to your software. Then what you need to do is just update your device to the latest version, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if all of these tricks doesn't work for you, then go for the final method. For that what you need to do is just you have to force restart your device by pressing and holding the combination of the keys according to your iPhone model, and after this your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's tutorial. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any problem let me know in the comment box. I'll help you more. Thanks for watching.